This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Monday, March 24th. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's jump right into today's session. The captain has turned off the seatbelt signs. You can move about the cabin. Many are going to be calling for a bottom today, but I don't think we're out of the clear yet. There might be turbulence up ahead. We had 126 new highs on the NYSE versus 130 new lows. 71% advanced versus 26% declining. 63% were below the 50 and 57% below the 200. All indices closed green. All indices closed near the highs. One ingredient missing from my post yesterday about a follow-through day is volume, and I'll cover that in a second. All the mega caps were green. Microsoft was up 0.4, Nvidia was up 3%, Apple was up 1%, Amazon was up 3.5%, Google was up 2.1%, Tesla up the most 11.9%, and Meta 3.72%. All sectors were green. Consumer cyclical led the way, 3.3%. Industrials up 2%. Communication services and tech up 1.8%. Financials were up 1.7%. Real estate 1.4%. Energy up 0.84%. Basic materials and healthcare up 0.7%. Consumer defensive up 0.5%. And utilities up 0.17%. So bullish day. I'm not saying it wasn't. I'm just saying it was in the definition of William O'Neill's book for his methodology. On a follow-through day, we had 2 of the 3 criteria. So if you take a look at the SPY, we had 48 million shares today versus 55 million average daily volume. So we only got to 87% of average daily volume. So it was a very strong bounce. I would not characterize this as 100% a follow-through day. That was one missing criteria. You can take a look at the post I published on Sunday titled, "On the Seventh Day, Will God Create a Follow-Through Day or Rest?" I'll link that in the show notes. Let's keep going over to profitable companies that made new highs on the NASDAQ. There were 7 of those. What was strong in the S&P? Some of this is going to be duplicate, but Tesla up over 11%, AMD up 7.3%, Monolithic Power 7.2%, Palantir 6.5%, United Airlines 6.4%, FedEx 5.9%.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.